Hey my girls and my guys, I waited like 50 years for this package to come in, and then I got another package in today, so I decided that I wanted to do an unboxing on my YouTube. I actually started on TikTok and I was like, nah, let's put it on the tube. So here is the box. I don't know if it was like tariffs or like what, and that's why it took forever for my package to get to me. They sent me two $10 gift cards because it took so long. So first, I got a swimsuit. Gotta be careful with this because I cut my finger last weekend trying to open up some packages. It's terrible. But I got this really cute blue swimsuit. Oh, I'm so glad I got it in a small because this is big. I mean, I kind of got a big little badonkadonk in a backpack, but this is huge. Look at this. I want to try it over like my outfit, but like I did Pilates today and like I smell. Hopefully that fits. I'm going to bring that with me. That is cute. I also got this top. This is in a small too. Does it fit? It should fit. Especially with this going around the neck. Oh, Polly is getting complicated with this packaging. Is this healthy for the environment? You guys are gonna learn that like sometimes I just be talking. But anyways, yeah, this is the sky blue swimsuit. They had like different pieces that were all like the same like color, very satiny, which I really like. I love a quality swimsuit. Even like the back is just giving. The straps have like these cute little pearls on them. So I'm excited to wear this. I've low-key packed a lot of swimsuits. I swear I'm gonna be out there for like a long time, but I'm really not. Next, I got this. What is this? It's a dress. It was $15. I thought I was gonna be on a TV show, but I'm not. But at least I have this dress. It's purple and it's kind of like a woven texture. I have a green top in the same woven material and I love that top down. But the girl who was wearing this dress looked really good in it. Hopefully it fits. And I got this in a size, it says 10, but I think this is a UK 10 and American 6. Pretty sure this was final sale anyway, so I got a cute little purple dress. I should wear this to brunch. I wish my camera was like big enough for you guys to like see. But it's actually cuter in person than I thought it was gonna be. So crazy. I should have been doing YouTube like a long time ago. But I got this skirt. It's kind of heavy. Naked Wardrobe has something similar, but this is the skirt. I cannot wait to wear this out. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I'm wearing it. This is cute. This is giving. Is this giving Vegas? Look at all the iridescence. I literally have like I have a dress and a skirt, like a mermaid skirt that has these same rhinestones on it, but this is, sometimes I look at things and I'm like, this isn't gonna fit me, and then it'd be too small. So I don't know. And last but not least, I got this cute little one-piece romper. I have this, not the same one, I have one in cream that has straps on it. Sometimes the rompers make me look snatched, sometimes they don't, but it looks good on the model, so I'm hoping. I'm definitely bringing this to Vegas too because I need options. Now next is my Fashion Nova package. I actually had to have this DoorDashed to me because Fashion Nova does do DoorDash, and it came the next day. I think this order overall was probably like $82. First, I'm gonna start with the shoes. I was gonna wear like this dress that I got from where did I get it from? Outcast. Super cute. Waited like a month for it to restock. But I was going to wear that to the Kendrick and SZA concert. And I don't know, my friend said it was like too much. Not that it's like her option, but like I like to coordinate with my friends. So I don't want my outfit to be like up here and then her outfit is just like a pair of shorts and a tank top. You know what I mean? So that's going to be my going out dress. I'm so excited. And I was gonna wear like these gold lace-up shoes from Steve Madden, but I walked in those at the other Kendrick and SZA concert. I played it off well, but my feet were screaming. So I got these instead, like a little kitten heel with a little strap. I don't know how I put these on, probably like that. Yeah, probably like that. Next, I got a sequin skirt, which I have another sequin skirt that I'm going to be bringing. Oh, this isn't a skirt. These are shorts. What's that? This is a small? This is huge. I got these little hoochie shorts. They're kind of see-through. My plan was like wear like this with like a basic top and then dress it up with jewelry. I'm going to have to try all of this on. And I don't be feeling like it. Okay, this is like my backup outfit. It's a cute little like halter top that goes like this. And it has like a low cut. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, weird. I'm gonna bring that just in case I don't like my other 3 outfits. This Kendrick and SZA is a very like laid back concert. I might even bring Air Forces just in case I want to wear a pair of shoes. Okay, cool. So these are the trousers that I'm gonna wear with that top. These are in a size small. They're like a micro trouser short. And I'm glad I got these in small. Do I need a medium? No, this should be fine. This has nothing to do with the concert, but I saw this shirt and I just had to have it. Oh, I didn't know it was mesh. It looked really cute on the model, but it's like a one shoulder cheetah print. I'm obsessed with the cheetah girls. Been obsessed with the cheetah girls since I was 6 years old. I'm literally close to 30, but been so obsessed with the cheetah girls. And I got this one shoulder top. So chic, so cute. Would go with the trousers if I decided to wear this, or I can just wear this on a regular day, wear it to brunch. But I love the print. Like, shout out to Fashion Nova. Last item, this is the top that I wanted to wear. Seems pretty loose. I thought it was gonna be a little bit tighter, and I got it in a size small, but maybe I needed an extra small. But I wanted just like a basic top to go with those sequin shorts. So I'm gonna probably have to pack like a couple of more tank tops. I'm gonna take a shower and then try all of this stuff on. But yeah, that was my entire haul. I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna do some try-ons like eventually, or maybe I'll just start making more videos with me wearing the clothes, or maybe do like a weekly vlog, or like, I don't know, like I said in my bio, all of these videos are just very, very random. So I hope you like the content so far. I hope me showing you the outfits were good enough. Let me know in the comments if you want me to like hold them up higher, hold them back further. But yeah, just communicate with me. I'd love to hear from you guys. And then other than that, thanks for watching.